Minister to reply, please.
Chairman, sir, reply to question 110. A. Yes, sir. Reply to B. Sir, a tourist spot assessment survey was conducted to understand local tourism demand and the development potential of various sites across Meghalaya. The survey collected key information such as annual and seasonal footfall, the mix of local, domestic, and foreign tourists, major source of spending, key attraction, and the average time visitors spend at each location. It also captured important site-level details, including the physical area of the spot, ticketing and digital payment facilities, management arrangement, availability of parking, sanitation facilities, and other basic infrastructure. Using this insight, villages close to this tourist spot were grouped into clusters with similar characteristics and development potential. This cluster represents priority region where homestay development can have the greatest impact for visitors and local communities. The survey highlights how diverse natural and cultural features such as waterfall, caves, parks, canyons, lakes, trekking routes, and sacred groves shape tourism patterns across the region. Some destinations like Shora, Monsiram, and Dauki receive significantly high numbers of visitors, indicating well-established popularity and strong tourist appeal. The cluster also includes locations where new projects are coming up and areas that remain open for few tourism development opportunities. These clusters are updated based on emerging local demand and development potential.
Yes, but having any supplementary?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I have to thank the Honorable Minister in charge Tourism for the reply. So may I know from the Honorable Minister, what are the criteria for selection of the areas for selection of this homestay schemes?
Eligibility criteria and parameters for applying this scheme is enclosed at Annexure 4. One eligible condition for applicants. One member per family is eligible for only one component to apply on this mission.
No, sir, I want to know the criteria for selection of the areas for implementation of homestay scheme.
Sir, the reply is already in the main reply, sir. It says, using these insights, villages close to these tourist spots were grouped into clusters with similar characteristics and development potentials. These clusters represent priority regions where homestay developments can have the greatest impact. So basically, sir, is areas where the tourists are going more, where there's a higher potential, where different activities, where the surveys has indicated that there's a diverse natural and cultural features such as waterfalls, caves. So I think the primary reply itself, sir, the reply is already there, sir. So it's there in the main reply, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Whether local stakeholders such as the Shillong, local bodies, or even the people sensitive were consulted before finalizing the areas for implementation of homestay schemes, sir?
So the discussions were taken place at all levels. So discussions were held at different stakeholder level, because obviously this has to be planned well with the locality, with the people, with the headmen and so on and so forth. So therefore, at different levels, at different locations, depending on locations, the discussions and consultations took place.
So,